co-founder and head of R&D of HYDROSOLID. HYDROSOLID is a startup in the sector of hydrogen storage. We develop and focus on materials to store hydrogen at low pressure conditions. We also develop hydrogen storage projects for sector coupling in the stationary sectors mainly. So our role in BIOntier actually is we contribute with our hydrogen expertise to develop hydrogen use cases, particularly now here a hydrogen storage tank, a low pressure tank, where we are the use case lead to create a Type 4 tank, composite tank based on bio-based materials. The last 6 months were used actually to organize between the partners and find out who's a supplier of what material, to actually find the process lines also and say, okay, who's providing the liner, who's providing the carbon fibers, who's providing the service to actually wind the filaments on the tanks, all of this stuff. And for the future, for the next 6 months or 1 year, we will do a lot of testing first. Then HYDROSOLID will create the tank and we will validate it in our pilot projects. Showing a big enhancement in collaboration, interdisciplinary work between engineers, chemists, different companies with different expertises, starting from the feedstock to the end users that can provide the product. And I think this is a great strength of BIOntier, that we are able to provide this project with 25 partners. For me, first of all, as a chemist, my dream was always to say, okay, the world needs to be greener. We have to achieve these green deals that Europe has set. Otherwise, I think that the world will not stop just emitting gases and all this other stuff. The role and the impact of BIOntier should be that the products developed always have a trend to say, okay, let's go to the market, for example, to really develop products that will be used by privates, by industries, by project developers, for example, to really show the developing green focus of Europe also, right, and of the whole world.